Thank you very much for giving me a privilege to speak. I did not expect to speak. My name is Salome. For those who may not know me, I've been on a wheelchair for 34 years now. I got an accident earlier. Not many people know me, but this country has been good for me. Mr. Matiangi, please, would you remember people with disabilities when you go to Kenya? This population is always forgotten. I'm not exactly saying people that use a wheelchair, physically disabled, but remember, parents or people that children have autism. Disabilities of different kinds. Mental illness is there. Remember that. Remember that people need wheelchairs and accessibility is needed. And I come from an area, there's one street that has never been tarmacked. That is from Ichuni, passing through Nyamasibi. That street has never been tarmacked. So would you remember that? And would you remember factories that can enable the young to get jobs? Thank you very much. I don't have much to say.
Makofi tafadhalini. Finally, Salimia CS. Salimia CS tafadhali. Very good. Now, last housekeeping.